Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change your Subaru Forester key fob battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Find a clean, well-lit surface to work on. This simple replacement process is quick and easy, ensuring your key fob is back in action in just a few minutes. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's open the key fob. Look closely for a small notch, usually found on the side of the fob casing. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a gentle twist of the screwdriver, the two halves of the key fob should easily separate. Be careful not to apply too much force to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, it's time to replace the battery. First, take note of how the old CR2032 battery is oriented. Typically, the positive side faces up. Gently use your screwdriver to pry out the old battery from its compartment. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing upwards, just like the old one. Make sure it's seated securely. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, head to your Subaru Forester and test the key fob's lock and unlock functions to ensure everything is working correctly. You should now have a fully functional key fob. Also, for other great deals, and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.